you dreaming of the perfect vacation where you don't have to lift a finger? Well, Cancun, Mexico is calling your name. In today's video, we are going to explore the top 7 best new all-inclusive resorts in Cancun for 2025. Whether you're looking for luxury, adventure, or relaxation, there's something for everyone. Stick around to the end because we'll reveal some incredible resorts with prices that might surprise you. So, let's dive in. Number 7. Secrets Moxché Cancun. Secrets Moxché Cancun is the epitome of luxury in Cancun, offering a stunning and exclusive all-inclusive experience. Located in the heart of the hotel zone, this adult-only resort is perfect for couples, honeymooners, or anyone seeking a peaceful and romantic getaway. The resort's modern design seamlessly blends with the natural beauty of Cancun, creating an atmosphere of relaxation and sophistication. From the moment you arrive, you'll be greeted by impeccable service and an array of world-class amenities. Secrets Moxché is built with elegance in mind, featuring spacious rooms, many with private pools or swim-up suites, offering an extra level of exclusivity and comfort. For couples looking for ultimate pampering, the resort features a luxurious spa, offering a range of treatments to help you relax and rejuvenate in paradise. Whether you're enjoying the beach, the pools, or the amazing food, Secrets Moxché Cancun offers a truly luxurious experience like no other. Price range is expect to pay around $3,500 to $4,500 USD for a 7-night stay. Number 6. Hyatt Ziva Riviera Cancun. If you're traveling with family and looking for a place that balances fun and luxury, the Hyatt Ziva Riviera Cancun is an absolute must-visit. This newly renovated all-inclusive resort caters to all ages, offering everything from water parks to serene adult-only areas, ensuring there's something for everyone. Why it's special? The Hyatt Ziva is perfect for families, thanks to its spacious family suites and kids club. The resort boasts a water park with slides and splash zones, keeping the little ones entertained all day long. Parents can relax while the kids are in safe hands, giving everyone a chance to unwind. When it comes to food, the Hyatt Ziva does not disappoint. With 10 restaurants offering a wide variety of international cuisines, from Mexican to Italian, you're sure to find something for every taste. Don't miss their authentic taco bar or the sushi restaurant for a unique dining experience. Whether you prefer relaxing on the beach, enjoying water sports, or taking part in family-friendly entertainment, there's no shortage of activities at this resort. Adults can enjoy a spa, adult-only pool, and a variety of excursions that showcase the beauty of Cancun. A 7-night stay at the Hyatt Ziva Riviera Cancun typically costs between $2,000, depending on the season and room choice. This resort truly offers an all-inclusive experience that combines luxury, relaxation, and fun for the entire family. Number 5. Royalton Chic Cancun. If you're looking to experience Cancun with a mix of luxury, excitement, and style, the Royalton Chic Cancun is the place for you. This newly revamped all-inclusive resort is designed specifically for young adults and those seeking an upbeat and trendy vacation experience. Why is it special? The Royalton Chic Cancun is more than just a resort. It's a vibrant social hub where luxury meets fun. Whether you're here with friends or a partner, this resort offers plenty of opportunities to enjoy Cancun's famous nightlife. From lively pool parties with DJs to rooftop lounges with stunning views, the energy here is high, and the fun never stops. For a 7-night stay at the Royalton Chic Cancun, expect to pay around $2,500 to $3,500 USD for 2 people, depending on the season and room type. Whether you want to party hard or just relax in a stylish, energetic setting, the Royalton Chic Cancun is your ultimate destination for fun and luxury. Number 4. Margaritaville Island Resort Riviera Cancun. Let's talk about one of the most exciting all-inclusive resorts in Cancun, the Margaritaville Island Resort Riviera Cancun. If you're a fan of the Margaritaville brand or just looking for a fun, laid-back vacation with a little bit of luxury, this is the place to be. The resort perfectly blends relaxation and excitement for guests of all ages. Whether you're sipping on a tropical cocktail by the swim-up bar, enjoying a beachfront concert, or indulging in fresh seafood at one of the island-inspired restaurants, this resort truly embodies the easygoing, fun spirit of Margaritaville. The resort offers 24/7 all-inclusive service, so you never have to worry about food or drinks. The gourmet dining options include everything from Caribbean seafood to mouth-watering Mexican cuisine, and their premium cocktail selection is not to be missed. Choose from a variety of accommodations, including swim-up suites and overwater bungalows for the ultimate indulgence. Each room comes with a private balcony or terrace, allowing you to soak up the gorgeous Caribbean views right from your room. For a 7-night stay, prices range from $2,200 to $3,400 USD, depending on the room type and travel dates. Number 3. Dreams Natura Resort Spa. Looking for a vacation that combines luxury with sustainability? Then Dreams Natura Resort Spa might just be the perfect getaway for you. Located just outside of Cancun, this eco-friendly, all-inclusive resort is perfect for those who want to immerse themselves in nature while still enjoying the perks of an upscale experience. Dreams Natura Resort Spa is designed with the environment in mind. The resort's architecture incorporates sustainable materials and energy-saving technologies, all while maintaining a sleek and modern aesthetic. It's the perfect place to enjoy a luxury vacation with a green conscience. One of the standout features of Dreams Natura is its protected natural surroundings. The resort is nestled amidst mangrove forests and lush gardens, offering guests a chance to relax and reconnect with nature. The resort also has its own nature reserve and lagoon, which you can explore during your stay. For a 7-night stay, expect to pay between $2,800 and $3,800 USD, depending on your room choice and the time of year. Number 2. El Dorado Seaside Palms. Looking for a romantic getaway? El Dorado Seaside Palms is a perfect choice. This adults-only resort by Charisma Hotels is designed specifically for couples seeking luxury and intimacy. With a stunning beachfront location, it's an ideal destination for honeymooners, anniversaries, or just a romantic escape. Food lovers will adore the gourmet dining options. The resort offers a range of high-end restaurants, including a beachfront grill where you can enjoy fresh seafood with your toes in the sand, and an Italian trattoria offering authentic Mediterranean flavors. Everything is included in your stay, so you can indulge without a second thought. Treat yourself and your partner to a relaxing spa experience. The spa services at El Dorado Seaside Palms are second to none, offering couples massages, beauty treatments, and rejuvenating wellness packages. Expect to pay around $3,000 to $4,200 USD for a 7-night stay, depending on the room choice and the season. Number 1. Unico 20-Deg 87-Deg Hotel Riviera Maya. Finally, we have the Unico 20-Deg 87-Deg Hotel Riviera Maya, a truly ultra-luxury resort that's redefining the meaning of all-inclusive vacations. Situated on the beautiful Riviera Maya coastline, this adult-only resort focuses on providing personalized experiences that go above and beyond what you'd expect from a traditional all-inclusive property. The resort features 5 gourmet restaurants, each offering a unique culinary experience. From the locally inspired Mexican cuisine at Café Inés to the exquisite seafood at Savage Grill, your taste buds will be in for a treat. What sets Unico apart is their commitment to authenticity. Many of the dishes are inspired by the region's history and culture, offering an immersive dining experience. A stay at Unico 20-Deg 87-Deg is on the higher end, with 7-night stays typically costing $500 USD per couple. However, the experience of luxury and exclusivity is well worth the price for those looking for an unforgettable vacation. So there you have it, the top 7 best new all-inclusive resorts in Cancun for 2025. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel content. And of course, share this video with anyone planning their next getaway. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy travels!